Hello and warm welcome to today's short presentation of Xfusion. Before we start, a short disclaimer. This presentation is no financial or legal advice. It's just solely for informational purposes. We speak about financial markets. They are coming with risks, so please be aware of these risks. And if you decide to do something, please only take money which you can, in the worst case scenario, afford to lose. Speaking of Xfusion, we are a community which was founded last year in October. We have over 80,000 active members already, and we created a platform where each and every one of these members can freely choose out of 3 major markets by just using simply the services, or on top of that, building a business. The first market we start with is the Forex market. To enter this market, we need a gateway, and this is a broker. We decided here to go with Tech Markets, a well-established, financially stable broker since 3 years in the market, over 650,000 active users, and already ranked number 15 of the regulated Forex brokers worldwide. Regulated means they have 2 active licenses and 2 regulations. One is by the FSC Mauritius and the other one is by the FSCA South Africa. The first one offshore, the second one onshore. Tech Markets is already strong, but they do more and more to secure their clients. The last thing they did is they signed up an insurance policy, which means that in case of bankruptcy of the company, every single user, every client of Tech Markets is insured up to $1 million. The reason why we decided to go with Tech Markets is very simple. On the Forex market, the biggest existing financial market on this planet with over $7 trillion daily trading volume, there is a major issue. And this issue is called lack of capital. What does it mean? The masses, the common people, they don't have that much money to put into the market. Therefore, they always seek for high profits, and seeking for high profits comes also with a higher risk. The institutional side, which have lots of capital, they seek for what? They seek for maximum security of their funds. And to find here a solution to give the masses access to the tools that the institutional side is already using, we partnered up with Tech Markets because from them we get a tool which is called amplifying. This amplifying is a capital boost of 24x. And I would like to show you this in a short example. For example, you put a security deposit on a brokerage account. This money, very important to understand, still stays your money. It's a deposit. After 28 days, if you decide for what reason ever you want to take this money out, you can do this without paying any fee or penalty. This $1,000, just an example, you can start with less or more. Now we assume we have a trading solution which had, based on past performance, an average 1% monthly. This would mean $10 profit in a month. Now, many people who are not happy with that, they want to increase the profits, and this comes also with an increase of the risk. But each and every trader will have negative trading days in between, and not to take the risk of total losses. Increasing risk is never a good idea. So therefore, we should increase the capital, and we do this here. This amplifying now offered by Tech Markets means that each and every member have, for every dollar they put in, a boost of 24x. This money is coming from so-called liquidity providers. So in this case here, we speak about a trading volume of $24,000. The same strategy now with very low risk means with 1% an average $240. Means here we don't increase the risk, we increase the capital and have more profits in the end. And you don't need to trade by yourself. That's the good thing, because many people, they don't have maybe no experience, no knowledge, or simply no time to enter this market. They can choose copy trading. With CopyX, the platform of Tech Markets, we have over 56 different copy trading strategies. What does it mean? You just choose one trader you would like to follow. You connect after depositing your money, connect to this trader, and then everything runs hand-free. The only thing you need to do is, when you have profits, you need to either withdraw them, they're instantly withdrawable, or you use compounding, and put them back in the strategy to gain even more profits. The good thing is when you use compounding, also here you have the capital boost of 24x. Many of our community members choosing out of all these strategies available two, and this is NeoFX and Sonic. Why? First of all, it's fully transparent. Even if you don't trade yourself, you get a tool which is called MetaTrader 5, where each and every day the trade is trackable. We have on both strategies proven long-term performance. You have a so-called track record, which you can see in my FX book. And the most important thing, both of these strategies are working with a very strong risk management, a controlled and stable drawdown. And this I would love to show you here on the example of NeoFX. The trader here focuses solely on one trading pair, Euro, US dollars. And it's just simple day trading, means one trade per day. Every trade that is open in a day is closed in the same day. The risk per trade is maximized on 1%. When we go back to our example, this $1,000 means in case of a loss, which once again is totally normal that you have in between losses, but this loss is maximized in this case on $10. How is it done? Very easy. By opening up a trade, the trader directly sets 2 points, take profit, stop loss. Means the trade goes in the right direction, no matter how promising it looks, the trade gets automatically closed at an upfront defined point. This is called take profit. Much more important is it when it goes the other way around, stop loss, the trade runs in the wrong direction. There is no trying to rescue anything upfront. It's also defined, maximum 1% per trade is our risk capital. Trade gets closed automatically and they start all over on the next day. The focus here is first and foremost on securing investors' capital at any time. Quality over quantity. There's only trading when there is clear setups in the market. And by this strategy, each and every of our 80,000 members have a steady growth through consistent risk and money management. Means each and everyone here is profitable. And we can prove this as well. Here is a live account of NeoFX, which we founded on the 23rd of October last year. $20,000 was initially as a deposit placed in. With a capital boost, we speak about a trading capital of $480,000. Now, there's 131 trades made in this time. 118 of them ended positive and just 13 ended with a losing day. This is a win rate of 90%, which is impressive. But what's even more impressive is that the risk over all this period is under 1%. We speak about a drawdown of 0.9%, and the result after around 8 months is $29,337. Means we are already over the initial deposit, which, by the way, once again, is still your money. You are already here over return on invest. Why is this number so high? Of course, there was compounding used, but this shows you what is possible with a very low risk strategy combined with a capital boost in such a short period of time. And if you want to diversify a little bit, this is also not a problem. If you want to take more responsibility, we have an exclusive Trading Signals Telegram group where you can open up a second account, 12x amplifying, and you get all necessary information. You get the entry points, the stop losses, the take profits, market analysis, everything you need to trade by yourself. You remain in full control of your decisions. There is no financial advice. You take the risk, of course, but you are guided by experts. And the good thing is when we summarize, till now, you didn't pay a single penny for these services. There is no subscription, no monthly cost, no hidden fees. Everything is 100% transparent. Everything is user-friendly on one dashboard. It's fitting in your daily routine and it runs hands-free, fully automated. And important, your money works from the first day. Nothing is deducted from any deposit. But where is the money now coming from? Because we speak about an economic cycle. They are business-related companies like the broker, like the trader behind who needs to earn money. Yes, they do, but they only earn money when you are profitable. So in case you make profits, there is a profit share. 70% of these profits you are doing are yours, instantly withdrawable. 30% is deducted, and this is now allocated by the broker two different other directions. 5% is the income of the trader, and out of this income of the broker, this 30%, they put 21% out of their margin into an affiliate program because they understood for themselves they want to grow through affiliate marketing. They don't want to grow through advertisement. They want to bring the money back where it belongs, into an active community. And out of this 21%, we have 4 different income streams. We get paid by the broker fee. We get paid from the profit share. There is on top an infinity bonus, and we have 2 pools. More detailed in this is in a later presentation, but important to understand. You get paid residual over and over again out of the margin of the broker coming from the market, as long as your people are having the benefits from trading. A win-win-win situation. Win for the person who just want to use the service because they make from the first day on money. Win for the persons who are referring this. They get paid 10 levels deep residual wise by giving other people a benefit, and a win on the broker side. Why? Because through this they grow in their memberships. And the second stream what we have here with the same referral link is a completely up and running crypto exchange. This exchange called bit1.com is fully up and running, is running on the newest technology like Bybit and OKX, is 2 times licensed, 1 time in El Salvador, the other one in Canada, and it's made for the best trading experience. You can trade completely by yourself, or you can use a copy trading ecosystem where, like in the Forex market, everything is done by professionals for you. And the good thing here is that this exchange is just by invitation only. And when you give the link to someone and they try this exchange, they don't pay a single penny on that. It is for free. They try it. The only thing they pay is what you pay on every other exchange as well, and this is a so-called gas fee. So whenever you buy, sell, trade, swap cryptos, there is a gas fee occurring. The good thing here is that from this gas fee, the income of the exchange, 60% means the majority is going back into the community, and you earn here also residual-wise on the gas fees occurring in a daily business. Also here, win-win situation. The exchange is growing by numbers, by active users out of affiliate marketing, and the people who refer this earn out of the margin from the exchange when other people are using this exchange like any other exchange without paying a single penny more. And to make this whole thing round, there is a payment solution. This is a decentralized crypto wallet combined with a Visa debit card called Bix.fi. This card is available in a virtual version as soon as you have $9.99 on your wallet. Then you can directly apply for this card. After passing the KYC process, you can use Apple Pay and Google Pay and shop online on any Visa acceptance point, wherever you like. If you want to go physical and use this card as well to deduct money from the ATM, there's 3 different options. It's a plastic card for $99, a metal card for $250, and a gold card for $25,000. This is just up to your preference. All these cards have the identical functions. There's no difference between plastic, metal, or gold card. This card is very fast and efficient. It has a direct money movement. Means, first of all, there is no external wallet needable anymore. You can, by hitting one button, nearly in real time, have your commissions, your profit on this card and ready to spend. On top of that, very soon, this card can be used as a bank account. There will be implemented a banking on and off-ramp function, SEPA and SWIFT, and you can do transfers with this card. Let's summarize. It is Apple Pay and Google Pay ready. There is no spending limit, no daily, monthly, weekly, or whatever limit. Whatever is on the card, $1, $1 million, or even more, you can spend. It's a very easy way to store your cryptos and spend them in the real world. Nearly instant loading times and no loading fees. Everything you top up on this card is 100% available and ready to spend. Now, when you use this card for consummation purposes, there is a fee of 3%. Each and every time you use this card and spend money, there's 3% added on top. This is also the income of the debit card company. Here, the same. Half of this means 1.5% of every purchase goes back into the community, and you build a residual income again by people using the biggest financial market, and this is the worldwide consummation. Thank you very much for listening. This was just a short overview of what we are offering as Xfusion. When you want to have more details, reach out to the person who sent you this video and clarify all detailed questions. Thank you so much.